Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we go into the top right corner and tap on the cog icon, then we tap on language, and then the app is going to prompt us telling us that we can only change the language of the app in our settings application. So we tap on open settings, and here we have all the available languages: English, Spanish, German, French, Italian, and I think this is Chinese, but I'm not sure. And also system default. So you can select from one of these languages, and then after you have selected, let's say it's English, we are going to be taken back to the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.